Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update. We've been ridiculously bullish still, all right, after I made the video yesterday, my middle of the day market update as well. Had a bit of a pullback this morning, but can you really call this a pullback? I don't know, all right? I mean, you can see right here that we found resistance at 66,000, which is a strong resistance level historically, as you can see. Like we touched that level quite often, and we quite often respected it both as a resistance and as support, as you can see. Voila. So now the question is well, for me there's two questions, right? And the first question is all right, well, what are these moves? Will we actually stay bullish? And for me, the quick answer to that is yes. All right, I am convinced, if you look at the 12-hour time frame right here, that we are bullish. Purely technically, we are bullish. All right, you could ask yourself, all right, well, are we actually bullish in the grand scheme of things? And the answer to that is, well, maybe not. All right, this could just be that we move to the top of the consolidation and that from there we will return to be bearish. That's a possibility, but short term we are definitely bullish, right? Even like the last support level I think we would have is this level around 60,000. Even if we drop down to that level, I would say we would still be bullish. All right, so yes, I think we're bullish. I think the fundamentals are good as well, all right? Because right now, if you think about the fundamentals, there is basically nothing. Like the dollar strength index is also so bearish. That's bullish, right? It's nearing some support levels, but overall it's very bearish. Tomorrow we have some bigger news related to the dollar strength index, so we'll talk about that tomorrow. But that's bullish. The political situation in the US is getting better, which is very, very important for crypto. I cannot stress that enough. And then you have Mt. Gox. I actually think that Mt. Gox is priced in, all right? And I think the selling pressure will be quite regular, all right? And I don't think that's going to cause some sort of a big black swan sell. Whereas the German Bitcoin sell-off was something that was not really priced in, all right? Mt. Gox, we've known that for years. And we've known for months that they would pay out right now and how they would pay out and what we could expect. So maybe that was already priced in, while the Russell 2000, for example, is absolutely going parabolic here. And the S&P 500 has been crazy as well. Maybe Bitcoin did not follow in that period of time because we were pricing in Mt. Gox. And now we have some sort of a catch-up rally. So fundamentally, I'm convinced. Technically, I'm convinced. It's just, I mean, at this point of time, it's like the same question as we had yesterday, and that is, will we actually just continue going up only like we have been doing? So if you think that's going to happen, we would break above 66,000 and probably rally up to 68, 69,000, which is the next kind of level. I'm not sure if I believe in that. I am. To me, it doesn't really matter. I mean, obviously, if you're watching this video, you do want to know. So I'll tell you. But in general, I think like we gained quite a lot of momentum right here. We have had a bit of a pullback and a drop of momentum. For me, I would say, like, if you really want to know what's most likely, which is either a continuation from here, or some sort of a pullback, I would say watch that level right here at 65,000 and 66,000. All right, and wait for the breakout, because if we break it down below 65,000, then I would say it's most likely we'll pull back into 63, 62 and a half, maybe 61,600, and then from there find support and continue going up. But I would say it's more likely, like at this point of time, you should wait for the breakout. Most likely, I would say, is something like this, all right? And then a continuation. So a pullback into, let's say, 63,500. But this is also, I mean, overall, I think we'll stay bullish. Whether that's with a little bit of a pullback here or just in general, just a continuation, I think that depends on the next breakout we get, either above 66,000 or below 65,000. So keep your eyes on that. I'll keep you updated in the middle of the day market update as well. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.